Viewer question, how do I update my reMarkable? You can pause it here and do this on your own machine. So I wrote it out for you, but I will show you now. So we're going to close this document. We're going to go to menu. Let me just move my little pen holder. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to general. You should already be in general, but it is in general. Then we're going to go to software. So we're going to tap on that arrow or anywhere on that bar, and you get here, we can check for updates. All right. Now I haven't actually done this in the last couple of days. So there we go. My device is up to date. If it's not, it will show you here. And depending on the settings, now I've got automatic updates on. So it will automatically install them, but it doesn't action them until it puts a little black bar along the bottom and it says it's installed, restart your device to activate it. Looking for the right words. But you can have that turned off if you want to. It's always a trust thing, isn't it, with things like this? But I've got it on, and then it will also always tell you the last version of what you have. All right, so at the moment, the last version is release 3.9, but I'm guessing in a week maybe or two, depending, well, on their past performance, there'll be a beta update shortly, I'm guessing. It comes out 2 or 3 weeks after, well, it has been coming out. I don't know if it still will. That's how you do it. The advanced tab is actually about the beta program, which I'm enrolled in. We don't worry about retail mode because that's very restrictive and it's not for use for us. So I could unenroll anytime and re-enroll in the beta program. To my knowledge, it does not affect anything on your device. It did not affect anything on my device. So I don't want to say it's not going to affect anything on yours, but it didn't affect anything on mine when I enrolled in the beta program. All it did was give me access to the beta updates on my machine. All right, so I leave that on, but whenever I come back in, look, I'll show you what happens. We just say we go back out here, we go menu, go settings, we're in general, we go here. It's always looks like that again, so don't worry about that. I don't know why it does that, but automatic updates, I like to have it on. I had it off for a while, but then I developed that trust factor and I'm okay now. And then you can always access here, but this is where you check for updates on your reMarkable. Let me get back to the main menu. Well, actually, I'm in a folder, but that's okay. That's another story for another day. Thank you so much for watching, and any love on the channel would be greatly appreciated. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone.